Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all things Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet. I own this in 3 different prints and I wanted to do a review on all 3 wallets for you today in case you're interested in a Louis Vuitton wallet. I feel like this video may be helpful. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep watching. So Louis Vuitton's classic Clemence wallet is so elegant. It's compact. I feel like it is just designed for functionality. It's super practical. And of course, it is gorgeous. So I ended up purchasing the Clemence wallet many years ago when I picked up my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I have loved it ever since. And I picked up a few more prints since then. This is one of them. If you missed my last video of my Louis Vuitton unboxing of this bag and my Speedy B25, check that out after this video. But I have been loving this nonstop. And this is the Damier Ebene print. It is so stunning. And it comes with gold hardware and this beautiful leather zipper pull. This is in this beautiful red color, which matches my Speedy B25 bag's interior. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like inside. So again, this is a very functional, practical wallet, and it is so pretty. So it comes with this large slip pocket in the back, and it has 4 card holders on that side, and same on this side. It has a large slip pocket and 4 slots for cards. You then have this beautiful coin purse in the middle that again has the Damier Ebene coated canvas. It is so pretty. And it's just super functional. I can fit everything I need in my wallet right in here, and it's so, so good. So it is made out of leather on both sides. And then I love how beautiful it is when you open it up. You can see the beautiful leather interior as well as the beautiful leather zipper pull. It's just a stunning wallet. It's the most beautiful red color, and I think this is just so stunning. So I feel like the Clemence wallets are definitely more affordable than a lot of the Louis Vuitton wallets. This was $590. Many of the other full-size wallets on the Louis Vuitton website start anywhere from $800 all the way up to $1,000 plus. And I feel like if I was going to spend that kind of money, I would prefer to put it towards a handbag. So that's just my rationale for why I feel like this is much more affordable. It's a beautiful wallet, and it definitely does all the things I need it to for a full-size wallet, and it is just stunning. I really can't say enough good things about it. It's beautiful. So the dimensions of this wallet are 7.9 inches in length. They're 3.5 inches in height and 0.5 inches in width. Again, it comes with the gold hardware, the beautiful leather pull, and this is the Damier Ebene. I did purchase this to wear with my Damier Ebene Speedy 25, and it just goes beautifully. I love pulling my wallet out and it matching my bag. It just looks so pretty, and I love it so, so much. So I'm going to show you my next Clemence wallet. And I always store the wallets I'm not using in its original packaging. So it did come in this beautiful Louis Vuitton box, and I always store it in my closet like this. Not only does it look pretty, but it just keeps the wallet protected and dust free. So it does come with this really cute little dust bag. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull this Clemence wallet out. This is the one I picked up for spring and summer. This is in the Damier Azur print. So pretty. Absolutely love everything about it. Has the most beautiful pink zipper pull. Again, this is leather with the gold zipper and the coated canvas. And let's look at the inside of this Clemence wallet. So again, the most beautiful pink leather interior. Again, it has the large slip pocket and the card holders. Same on this side. And then, of course, the beautiful Damier Azur coated canvas inside for the coin purse is so pretty. Absolutely love this wallet. It's so pretty. All right, let me go ahead and show you what I use this with. It is my Damier Azur. This is in the nautical print Speedy B25, and I purchased this wallet when I got this bag. Again, I'm a matchy-matchy kind of girl, and I wanted them to match. And so I absolutely love the Clemence wallet, and I had to get this in the Damier Azur to match the nautical print. Now, I will say that Louis Vuitton was selling the most beautiful zippy wallet that came in the Damier Azur nautical print. So it did have the chain on it. I think it had some pink, because if you'll look at this side of the Speedy B25, it does have pink in it. I want to say that that zippy wallet in the nautical collection did have pink in it, as well as the beautiful. But it was $1,050. And again, if I'm going to spend that kind of money for a wallet, I prefer to put that money towards a bag. And so I thought, you know what, this is going to be beautiful. I've already owned a Clemence wallet and know how functional and wonderful it is. And I was completely satisfied spending half the price on this one. It still matches beautifully and a fraction of the price. So I was super happy with this, and I have been enjoying this all spring and summer, and I am already looking forward to next spring and summer when I can pull this bag out and use the heck out of it again. All right, so the last Clemence wallet, let me show you that one. And again, this is just how I store it in my closet, and I put both of these in this bag. So I'll just put this one and the other one in there and put this in my closet. And that's just how I store it. It's pretty, and it just keeps it dust free. And anytime I'm looking for it, I know exactly where it is, which is always nice. So let's go ahead and look at this one. This one is in the beautiful Monogram. It is so pretty. Of course, it is one of my favorites. I'm a huge Monogram canvas, coated canvas print kind of girl. It is so beautiful. And I've had this one the longest. This is the first one I picked up when I got my Neverfull, and I absolutely love it. So this one comes with this kind of deep fuchsia pink color. It is so stunning. Again, the gold zipper, and the interior of this one, I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. Again, with the leather, and then the coin purse, the beautiful Monogram coated canvas interior. It is so good. Love it. So again, I bought this with my Neverfull, and then later on I did pick up the Alma PM, also in the Monogram print. So I went ahead and I used this not only with the Neverfull, but I also use it with this beautiful bag. And I do have a video reviewing this bag for you guys if you're interested in that. Sometimes I'll take it to a wedding, or definitely a date night, any sort of dressy event. I feel like this is just a little bit more elevated than some of my more casual bags. I feel like this Clemence wallet is just so stunning. It's very practical, and I'm a huge fan of a full-size wallet, well priced, and you get all the things that you would expect out of a full-size wallet. It's just stunning. They're so beautiful. And I hope this review was helpful. If it was, go ahead and like this video. I would love it if you would subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And thanks so much for spending time with me. I hope this helped you out if you are in the market for a new wallet. And until next time, bye.